So staying on the theme of serving a larger part of the enterprise with tools that scale across functions and sites, I'd now like to welcome Brian and Jay from Raytheon. Hey Jay, great to see you. Good to see you again, Brian. It's been so long. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about Raytheon?
So Raytheon is one of 3 business units under RTX. Our portfolio spans air, space, land, and sea-based radars and precision weapon systems, or as we like to call them, sensors and effectors. Our products keep hundreds of thousands of people safe every day and are deployed across the globe. In my role, I lead the production test engineering team at one of our largest manufacturing centers in Andover, Massachusetts. So access to equipment and product data is key to my team's success.
Right, and since we design, manufacture, test, and support critical mission systems, quality, uptime, and availability are really at the forefront of what we do. In my role as a senior technical lead across Raytheon, I've been working with NI to help improve how we are using and managing our test assets and test data to really maximize mission readiness for our customers.
This is a common need across industries and one that NI is really excited about helping our customer achieve, especially in mission-critical applications. So tell us a little bit more about how the project got started.
Well, and I'm sure many of you in the audience can relate to this. We need to improve the way we're collecting, managing, sharing, and ultimately using test data across our enterprise, especially in manufacturing. In addition, equipment availability and utilization data is somewhat subjective and not always consistently recorded or tracked. And when it is, it's mostly a manual effort. With us being a global organization with manufacturing centers located across the globe, this is a hard problem to take on at an enterprise-wide scale.
Yes, and we needed a trusted partner that we could work with to accomplish things like aggregating and connecting test data, providing consistent production planning, delivering accurate test utilization reliability analysis, and having visual dashboards to display performance indicators.
So tell us about what you and your teams have implemented so far and what role NI System Link is playing.
We began our initial pilots 2 years ago in 2 manufacturing locations, one in McKinney, Texas, and another in Largo, Florida, to ensure the solution can cover a fully automated factory like the one in Florida and a more traditional standalone factory like the one in Texas. Then in phase 2 of our pilot last year, we expanded to 3 more locations in Arizona, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. Overall, System Link serves as the hub for collecting, analyzing, and visualizing product and equipment data, providing a real-time single source of truth across manufacturing facilities.
And to match that scale, last year we began the installation and adoption of System Link Enterprise, and we've already accomplished some key milestones. We could view real-time test results and test station statistics from multiple sites. We have customized dashboards configured to show utilization insights. And we can now identify inconsistencies in test software versions and automated software deployments.
Another key benefit in partnering with NI was working closely with the NI Customer Solutions team to drive adoption, awareness, and proficiency with these tools across our organization. We conducted targeted and customized training at the end of our pilot at multiple sites to help educate users and accelerate the rollout across our enterprise. These training sessions gave our engineers face-to-face access to NI solutions architects and really helped drive a better understanding of the project for our end users.
And how's that deployment going? Any early results that you can share?
Yeah, we're still in the early adoption phases, but yes, we've seen some great early indicators of success. We can now aggregate what had usually been lots of different individual server installations, like a potpourri of them, if you will, and simultaneously view data from all manufacturing locations. And this data can be viewed and analyzed virtually from anywhere. In fact, let's pull up one of the dashboard's interfaces, see what it looks like. Here you can see in real-time results things like system state, first pass yield, availability, downtime. In this particular view, you can see the active versus idle time for a test set, which is the pink versus the blue. And when you look at it, you can see that we have plenty of excess capability, availability, and we can run a second or even third shift if we need to increase throughput.
Overall, we've been really happy with the partnership with NI. They provide a lot of help and direction and technical assistance to get our pilots up and running and accelerate scaling across our organization. Ultimately, we're very pleased with System Link's ability to visualize test utilization, manage software configurations, and centralize test data, which enables informed decision-making based on real-time data.
So what's next for your implementation?
Well, the capability System Link provides is really core to a lot of our internal initiatives. So we're continuing to drive internal alignment and working towards common System Link-driven processes across all of Raytheon. Our end goal is really to have a single repository where we can view, analyze, consume test data, test station statistics across RTX.
Thank you so much for being here to share your story and your success. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.